Uptown Swing.
Uptown Swing you up. Uptown Swing level 1 8 count. Maddie.
Peter.
You guys rocked it. Essentially today we just had a victory lap and did all the cool stuff you already know, so we'll show you that real quick. One new thing we did was glide to the side. You can do it from closed position. Hey, hey, hey. You can do it from open position. Hey, hey, hey. When you get good, you can kind of do it in different directions if you like. It's very flexible as you want. So feel free to throw that out there. Watch out for your neighbors on the dance floor. Then we tried some dancing. You know all this stuff. That's the flip-flop. You know the yo-yo. You also know the reverse yo-yo. You know the promenade. You know the circle. You know the swing out for sure. You know, let's see, the stop and shake. Bop, bam, hey, hey, hey. We got a whole bunch of rhythm breaks. You could do points. Hey, hey, hey. You could do low downs. If you can't think of anything, you could always do the mess around. If that stuff's all feeling good, and that's plenty. You could try some of the stuff we did last week, just mixing it up. Hey, reversing. Catch the arm. Come back in like a circle. Get your practice, go out dancing. We'll see you later, and a pew, 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 pew.